Hello, and thank you for your interest in Sierra College. The purpose of this short video is to provide some information to prospective candidates about what to expect when it comes to applying for a full-time position at Sierra College. The first thing I would like to cover is hiring committees. Sierra College participates in something known as the shared governance process. And so, what that means is hiring committee members are appointed by a variety of constituent groups on campus. With that being said, I like to let prospective candidates know this information so that they're not alarmed when they walk into the interview space and see a large committee made up of faculty, managers, and staff. And so hiring committees can range from small to fairly large. The next tip or piece of information that's important to take into consideration is the application process. And so hopefully you've already browsed our positions via NeoGov, also known as government jobs, and you'll see a variety of positions that we have available. When you go through the application process, we highly encourage candidates to be incredibly thorough, make sure to upload all of their application materials, including any cover letters that are required, teaching philosophy statements, as well as all transcripts that for any classes that have been taken, etc. The other piece of information that is important is to make sure that you include both paid and unpaid experience so that the hiring committee members can be able to assess your full application. And finally, as you saw throughout our job announcement and throughout our web pages, our campus is core value is student success and closing equity gaps. And so it's really important throughout your application materials to address how you have included equity-minded practices within your various workplaces or within your or what experiences you have supporting diverse populations. Next, let's talk about the interview process. So throughout the interviews, you might see a variety of different assessments or what we like to call performance demonstrations take place. So for example, for our full-time teaching positions, oftentimes there will be some sort of teaching demonstration that will be required. And so you'll receive a prompt or a topic ahead of time, and then be asked to deliver that teaching demonstration in front of the hiring committee and or in front of live students. There are also things called written demonstrations to sort of assess writing skills. And so what that might happen is in real time, there will be some sort of writing prompt that will be required during the interview process. This is just a couple of different types of demonstrations. There could be other ones as well. And so these are a couple of tips and things to just keep into consideration when it comes to applying for our positions. What I will say is, as you're hearing all of these different steps in the process can be a little bit lengthier. Again, we are just really committed to getting amazing folks for our institution. And so the process can take a little bit longer, but I guarantee you that it's a great process to go through so that you can get that experience and a great process so that you can interview us as much as we interview you. I hope that this information is helpful. Please stay tuned for more videos of tips and things to keep into consideration when it comes to applying to Sierra College. Thank you for your time.